Class 9th, week 2. Class 9th, week 2. The topic is regarding biology, and the topic is careers in biology. What are the careers we can adopt after the study of biology? The most important thing that you can study a subject for better career. So after the biology as an subject, you can choose in class 9 the computer and biology, and after that in FSC you go with the pre-engineering or the pre-medical. So after the pre-medical, what are the fields for you? This is the relationship of the your career with the biology. The number one is the what can you choose if you got very good marks in FSC. After the matriculation in FSC you got very nice marks. After the entry test you can join a super career, which is medicine. Medicine means the surgery, means MBBS. Okay. Diagnosis disease in the repair and replace and removal of the stone. These things mean to say the same MBBS plus BDS. Okay, MBBS or BDS. BDS is for dental and MBBS is for medicine and the surgery. Okay, the second one is the another department after the MBBS, or after the MBBS is the MBBS is actually a very super field, no doubt. But if you not join the medicine, then the other field is the fisheries. Fisheries is a good department. The professional study of fish production. What do you mean by the fisheries? Professional study. The professional study of fish production. It's a professional study of fish production. Departments of the Pakistan were many departments like the fisheries, the sphere of the enhancing the how to enhance and the quantity and quality of the fish. The next one is the you can do in Pakistan, the profession can be adopted after the bachelor and master level. Okay, you can study the zoology in bachelor level, then master's level. Okay, the another one is the agriculture. Third one is the agriculture. Now the scope of the agriculture is increasing day by day, no doubt. Another one is the animal husbandry. Okay, discuss one by one. The profession deals with the food crops and animals, which are the source of food. And agriculture works for the betterment. In agriculture, what are the works are for the betterment of the crop. In Pakistan, there are many universities who can do these professional courses of agriculture and higher secondary education in biology, actually. The second is the animal husbandry. It's actually concerned with the career. It's actually concerned with the care and the breeding of domestic animal. Animal care plus breeding. What is the meaning of the breeding? Breeding means to better species formation. Okay, so breeding of domestic animal. डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स एक ख़ास वर्ड भी इसके लिए बेटा आप यूज़ करते हो, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द लाइफ स्टॉक. लाइफ स्टॉक किसे कहते हैं? मवेशी को. ओके, ये तो बेसिक वर्ड है, पता होना चाहिए इसका. ओके, लाइक द शीप, कैटल्स, दीज ऑल. द प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज इन एनिमल्स husbandry can be adopted by after the higher secondary education. Okay, this field can be adopted after higher secondary education. The second, the Others are the farming, forestry, horticulture. These three fields, the farming is related with the maintenance of different type of form. Maintenance of form. What is the meaning of maintenance of form? Different type of forms. For example, the breeding technologies are used in the production of animal for the better protein, and for what purpose they are used? For the better protein and milk source, like the poultry farms, chickens and eggs are produced. Okay, and the fruit farm, different type of farms है ना, आपको पता है बेटा. जिस तरह से चिकन फार्म्स हैं, आपको पता है पोल्ट्री फार्म्स उसे कहते हैं, चिकन की प्रोडक्शन के लिए, एग्स की प्रोडक्शन के लिए. फिर फ्रूट फार्म्स हैं, यील्डिंग प्लांट्स एंड ग्रोन. और थर्ड वन आपके पास आ जाती है एक और टाइप ऑफ फॉर्म, दैट इज़ द एनिमल्स ब्रीडिंग टेक्नोलॉजिकल फॉर्म्स. वहाँ पे ये देखा जाता है कि प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एनिमल्स को आप कैसे बेटर बना रहे हो. अगर उनकी प्रोडक्शन अच्छी होगी तो वो आपको प्रोटीन और एनरिच्ड फूड जो है वो आपको मिलेगा. ये जो है ना, ये टोटल इस द डिस्कस होता है. दस अदर वन इज़ द फॉरेस्ट्री, प्रोफेशनल लुक आफ्टर नेचुरल फॉरेस्ट एंड एडवाइस टू गवर्नमेंट for the growing artificial forest. Many university offer professional courses in forestry after the higher education. Okay, bachelor levels पे आप ये forestry is related with actually वो जो आप सुनते हो ना, the bachelors in botany and the zoology, वही these are. After that you can go with the masters and the MPhil. Okay, they can work on betterment of फॉरेस्ट. ठीक है. ओके, another one which is very important branch, the biotechnology. And the scope of biotechnology is increasing day by day. Biotechnology, which we short form we said it's in biotech. What do you mean by the biotechnology? Latest profession in the field of biology. Biotechnology is actually the study of production of useful products through the microorganism. Biotechnology means production of useful product. The word useful product through microorganism. When we talk about the microorganism, तो microorganism कौन से हो गए बेटा? Which are not seen by the naked eye, means virus, bacteria, fungi and these all who can cause the different type of disease also, and some are used for the beneficially also. University offer the courses of biotechnology after the higher secondary education in biology and after the bachelor level. Okay, bachelor level in botany and zoology. After bachelor you can adopt the biotechnology for the masters. Actually the whole things which we talk about nowadays, and you are seeing a lot of videos in YouTube also, that the biotechnology, we made this, the artificial mechanism, the test tube baby is also in genetics and biotechnology, and these others techniques which are used for the beneficially also, the antivirus drug and all the vaccines also in this field. A lot of research are going on in all over the world for the beneficiary of the human beings in this field, the biotechnology. It's a vast field, no doubt. It's a very nice field and very interesting field. Thank you very much.